Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. I don't know about you, but I've always had a hard time with rows of single crochets. They were so tedious. So I was thrilled when I found this new method of single crocheting more than one row at a time. Keep watching and I'll show you how easy it is. Start with a row of chain stitches, then single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then in the next one as well. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's the edge. Now let's find where we're going to put our hook for the next stitch. Locate the strand just below the vertical bar, and the one immediately to the left will be going through both those bars. So insert your hook through those 2 bars, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over, pull through a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That completes the first stitch. Locate the bars below the first stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then insert your hook into the next chain. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, then insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 4 stitches completed. Now continue until you get to the end of your chain. This is how it looks at the end, and you can see clearly the 2 rows you've created. Thanks for watching.